history would have recorded it. There would have been no need to change history. We all know that it was Kwame Nkrumah who led us into independence. Nobody can change that history. Nobody. Dankwa didn't do Foko. Dankwa is a ritual murderist. They should come and ask me. He murdered his own brother, Achia Mensah, the chief of Abidjan, so that they can blacken the stool of Oforiatta, his half-brother. This nonsense will not be tolerated. Are they the only Ghanaians? Why should we allow one small family to dictate to us? It will never happen. Let me tell them something. In June 4th, people were crying, let the blood flow. It was only military people whose blood flowed. Correct? Today, as I hear let the blood flow, it is the blood of the Achim mafias that will flow. There are two ways that I see. If we allow Akufo-Addo and his stupid Jean Mensa, that stupid girl, that idiot of a girl. Look, I'm telling Jean Mensa today, me, my grandmother, she has what every woman has. My mother, she has the same thing. All my sisters have the same thing. And everybody is born of a woman. If Jean Mensa thinks she was not born of a woman, but came from some other angle, she should go ahead and do the new register. Let me watch her. She will die 12 midday. She will die just like that. Nonsense. Idiot. You are a foolish girl, Jean Mensa. You are an idiot. I'm telling you today. Try it and you see. What kind of nonsense is that? You think you are better than us Ghanaians? You are better than the Christian Council who have advised you? Better than the House of Chiefs? Nonsense. Stupid Akufo-Addo girl. What about damn papa? She mean a yo. Common sense go muni bi. Cause you're for. When is Ghana to mama? Moi. Jimmy 4. Look, let me tell you something. Odifo Kwabena, he said 9 prominent MPP people will die before MPP wins power. Sometimes the prophecy doesn't come from me, but when the prophecy is authentic, God will tell me, monitor that prophecy. So I started monitoring. Now, I remember in 2015, before Parliament broke, the Lord told me, tell MPP to organize prayers at the Western region. I didn't know who to tell, because I didn't want to go. Me, I don't like pride. Then the Lord said, well, Kennedy Aponte says he's their financier, so go and tell him. So I went to Parliament, filled the visitors form, and then he came, he called me. In fact, I'll be very honest, he gave me respect. After that, but when he called me, suddenly about 40-45 people popped up from nowhere. Honorable my rent, honorable my school fees, honorable my medicine. I said, hey, is that what is going on? So we couldn't even dialogue. So I just summarized what I had to tell him. And then he asked me to call him the next day, 5 a.m. I didn't know he woke up so early. And when I called, he was up. He had his bath and he was on his way to work. You know what he told me? Was this awful? Oh, he told me. He said, Jimmy, and I'm sure honorable Mati. Jimmy, someone you might. My Jimmy, MPP4, my Jimmy, free throw copying form. Honorable Kennedy Aponte say, my day, my Jimmy, Nanado MPP. Or Nanado MPP. And a Kennedy Aponte with Jimmy. Baumi or MPP. And a Kennedy Aponte with Jimmy. Oforiatta or MPP. Safma for MPP. Jimenez or MPP. And a Kennedy Aponte and Kanjap say, what Jimmy? What Jimmy for? When Jimmy and Kamunya Demoye. Me say, we are waiting for you. Hey, the fire will fall. Do you know what I saw? I saw Achim Tebi, the palace. I saw it on fire. And people were saying, let the blood flow. And I said, whose blood? They said, the Achim Mafia. Gabriel Chidakon, Asante Bedie Tuo. Name them, Safo Mafo. They'll round you all up. Do you know, thanks be to God, because of Corona, all the borders are closed. Nobody is going anywhere. We are all here. Until if you like, do what is right and live peacefully. Or Do what will cause the fire to burn, and the fire will burn you. Nobody's going anywhere. So that Pat Noah Togo now, Pat Noah free play now, Dubai. No, we are all here. We are all here. Nobody's going anywhere. Akufo-Addo, don't open the borders. Don't open the borders now. We will deal with you before the borders are open. You will do the right thing.
We will be getting closer in a coded location with a year or so for Babana Owusu Ajay. Now, Gabriel, once I'm going to make a say, all the Kabanosu, and also for the Kabanosu. So what's I say? 80 minutes. Oh, one sir, Gara, one sir. I could draw be a woman. A software, a word of a woman. And see, about your small kind of but I was so for the offer of a jaw. A yaya Juana, that's of one couple. All right, so Saturday I work a daily guide front page and a banner headline said NDC prophet threatens to kill EC boss Jane Mensah. Also for Kabra Jane for daily guide and you man pay. You bet the home come also for Hot FM 93.9 megahertz. Yamakwaba.
Mejemoso Michiamati for so. Namiasundi coming.
Namiasundi council. Also for Kabra Jane and Ekasai.
But your mere mini apostle of not switching.
Oh, yeah, this is
Minya DC.
Who join the party then?
Main joining party.
Oh, yeah, sympathize on my party then.
Main sympathizing my party. I take instructions from Elohim. The Nyamebeka Saminian and Namiya. And my instructions now is to lead the NDC to victory. And that is what I'm doing. And that is what Elohim has instructed you, sir. Lead NDC to victory. Also for Kadabedi. Exactly. And that is what I am doing. And this is for the Enyaswa. I will say it.
All right. But what threatens Selbekum, Electoral Commission chairperson, as Daily Guide has an apply one more editor front page.
Daily Guide will be an himself, Freddie Blade. Jimmy. Oh, can I order second year? Jimmy. Now, friends, who is CPP now call a friend MPP near the chairman. Jimmy for the war. Oh, I'm a Fabra or party man who is CPP or by I am chairman because Akufo-Addo are down for. Oh, said Jimmy Nekoswa Ghana. Instead of using the media space to do proper education, so near farm build their democracy, they use it to do policies. Men can't be as a Miku Jim Mensah, easy boss. Men can't baby. What I said is this: Jim Mensah, a radia being me. Number who said, oh, fat a quite be so, open all the Ghana fat quite be so. Sa quite now take Ghana fasono, a de basa beba, a jabeto Ghana. And I'm catch us a medium who says, Jato Ghana. Ghana for you now, baby, who say, what? And I'm also because I'm paying for Ghana in there too. So, also, dear Gabiochi, that only Akufo-Addo catch us here, and one out there. And as you will be the first to die, I saw it. And have I threatened her?
So, also for what evidence, we're here, should I say, Jane Mensah, Gabia Social, and Akufo-Addo, and as of now, as you mentioned yesterday, that you keep reiterating. So, I'm moving up Akushiata and said, this is what she should do, and I want.
Look, it's not news. Second is the pointing station. So, HSS Charlotte say, or Yashawuni, or the Tona Cote power, now Yaba Umbe Charlotte say. Oh, it was all part of the agenda. John buy an open go for the church or let them yesterday, then no miss Charlotte say for you. And no darling girl, Abaho. Until when I call her a silly girl, me, baby, I'm you know, if you're a girl and you're silly, you are called a silly girl. What I say. If she's a silly girl, that's why she's doing silly things. And I tell you, say, Jane Mensah, you are doing silly. You are being a silly girl. Stop those silly things. Let do what is right. Say the bear Ghana, you better into my pay fra. What's my did nothing?
But she can sue you for calling.
So let her go to court and sue me for calling her silly.
Silly as in say Electoral Commission no would be anymore. So be new voter register. That makes her silly.
That doesn't make it silly. But you see, it is an agenda. Let me tell you something. You see, they keep referring to say NDC for access to data. No? Until this time, what they want to do is control the register. and make sure their people are more on the register than those of the NDC. The agenda is that they want to make sure NDC loses about 2 elections so that NDC can be turned into a CPP kind of thing. So they become powerless. If you want the richest man in Ghana, go to Furiata. You know,
this is the finance minister. So
no, I'm not talking finance. Me say the richest person in Ghana, you're taking Ghana Sika, so you're friend of Furiata.
Analysis ben there's some ben
Chroma Bank, Chroma Insurance, Sika business, everything that has got to do with Ghana money, it goes to Furiata and the group, their company. Data Bank and Co, they are controlling Ghana's finances today, whether you like it or not.
Wow.
It is the truth.
I'm not aware.
Well, I'm telling you, go and find out, go and dig. You see that what I'm saying is the truth. So, you know, when I tell Jimensa what you're doing is silly, stop it. Because I know, so I be no can say too shallow to say no me tuna. No man can say NDC for they'll make sure they'll lose 2 elections in a row and become like CPP. We've had majority leader or since I election race area, NDC will never come to power again. It is an agenda. So I say now agenda is now or Babisia. Ope say udi enimu now di jack to Ghana. Because when people are disenfranchised, do you know what is going to bring in this nation? Nobody's going to sit down for you to disenfranchise him or her. It's a jack, and a Baba Ghana. So what I say, you can't allow this. We're a small nucleus family. So my dream Bonnie Akuta Muntino, I dream Papa Bieli Muntino. Debbie I'm sorry, and I can in the pond. Or no, I am more, and then he does your spinning, he does your dirty work. Hey, I come to let me tell you. Maybe see if you are so correct. So what I say, a Jimmy for it is already me.
Oh no!
No. I take responsibility. I said I take responsibility for it. Me say I take responsibility for it.
Sir,
I said I take responsibility for it.
He is a member of parliament.
So what? He's an idiot of a member of parliament.
No.
He is an idiot of a member of parliament.
Japan.
Oh dear Japan, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about Asen, Asen Central MP, who calls himself Honorable King in Japan. Who the hell does he think he is? No, Fuso to me. You're bet me snap net 2. I or that CID boss. I or that IDP. Go and arrest this. Go and arrest this. Go and arrest that. Or no, has he been arrested for the role he played in JB Dankwa's death? Has Kenya Japan been arrested? Me say, I'm appealing to the American embassy. I'm for lie detector test in this year. I'm throwing the challenge to you. Also, here more ring. I need a lie detector test. Now you know cameras die so. Yeah, chef who is talking the truth. Let me tell you something. This Kenya Japan. When Asante for no planning here, so mo Kobi ejinem amananato. Na omakoyo mo nyan komade no. Now, be who watching him. And watching him dey 1 year boy ema omo. Oh, this is May 2015. Yes. And Ochehim which is Nana to Mami, Ninia. Okoyeno, he was not accepted. And also JB Dankwebi or Tafo or filling station open another was simple. But on the Koyeno, the blood line, need JB Dankwa, it doesn't agree. But they wanted the JB Dankwa. Into this honorable JB Dankwa, you know, on no fee. JB Dankwa, the doyen, or finish Chocho Mucho, or the grand niece or something like that. Into to pay the Apega people, no? Because, like I said, and I've always said, the chief of Apega, Ofrete Wuyan no Kuno, and the Kukuakunan, so what I say, say Omo, this year, and Apega for so a bomutia, some Musumunia, either. Until they had to go and pay the Apega people, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. But JB Dankwa was responsible until only JB Dankwa. And so they had this JB Dankwa and they killed him. And you know something? When he died, according to this boy who is in jail, why tape near them? Or say Kenya Japan is a sexy don't. Or say Kenya Japan was the first person he called Captain said Jumano Biden. Let me tell you something. He called Kenya Japan. Said Jumano Biden. Now, when the accident happened, Watchman security said they didn't know. On Yana Hotel from the police for by 2 policemen came from East Legon. Then a relative also brought 2 policemen from somewhere when she was called to come in. There were 4 policemen there. Then DCOP Dampare also came in.
Then CID boss.
Well, yeah, I think Greater Accra was yes, yeah.
No, yeah,
okay, Dampare, yeah.
No,
Greater Accra something. Yeah, anyway. Now, listen to me very carefully. When this thing, where was I? Dampare came in. Said no, when the boy came in Japan. JB Dankwa no pana yekuno, which was about 2:33 a.m. And James now honorable Adie Amanye, because he's the last person. Everyone, you are not a family member, or say Nana Adu Dankwa Kufuado, and they say Omra Meshe Assembly was said no more Amanye. Those were his words. And at DCOP Dampari, I walk on out, I had a crime scene, I had a parliament, and he was walked out. He came and sat on his air, net 2, and told the whole world, say, police need be, and a friend and a party say, same way they see. It will do me kabaye. Hey, Kennedy, let me tell you, you are a good spin doctor, but you've picked the wrong address. My name is not Obinim, my name is Kwabena Owusu Ejeyi. Me kame nana adaka. Me nana sofu mame kino dina efua jebua ya na daka wo muzama sesi amika se me kana mena kene Japan he enra uti wono wo se CID for by na me dwane here. Yes. Where did I run away? Before. Where did I run away? Where did I run away?
Before we go there, sir. Because Sarah can't say CID for by one of the dwane CID for well BNI for national security no club and they run away dwane Metesas want to know if you but I am in a coded location with you as we speak. Hot 93.9 FM marching and each media. The beginning of Amanda Isaac. I'm here this morning with Awal Saeed Mohammed Nagagan Twan lady or Hidden Wakas Buahin. And I'm many on me and Sana Kwabena Wusu, Kofi Amare, and the Cephas, and DJ Kobinuso, Air Studio way back in Accra. Jamestown, a year Afro Towers. Now, yeah, so you will coded location of a you also for Kwabena J. Aiding Como. Or say Kennedy Japan should shut up.
He should shut his big, ugly, fat mouth. It stinks. Eh? Let me tell you something.
Because of the role he played in Jamie Duncan's death.
Not only the role, he is the Spain doctor in MPP. Assembly here, no makofano, no abetnal, no. Obini issue is just to divert attention. Okay?
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
You're coming from National Security. We have warrant to arrest you.
Okay.
On the arrest.
Okay.
Oh,
don't touch me.
My friend. Don't touch me.
My friend. Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
Anyway, hot 93.9 from March. Please let us know. There are some people here.
Hey, how come? Hey,
A warrant from the
how?
National Security to arrest Aya Papa, Aya Kabana. Please.
Hey, no.
Please take your time, please. We are helping you.
No.
Please take your time. Oh, please,
How come?
that's happening live. Please take your time.
Hey, how come?
Go back. No,
Hey.
No, let us also know because we are here with you.
How come, sir? Hey, no, this one there. No. Hey, how come?
And we are live here, and we have to. Yes, let us please know.
No.
We have to know if they are really from the National Security.
We have to know. No. We have to know. 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 No. We have to know. We have to know. Pick the numbers. 5666.
Yes.
5 6.
Another one. We are
Another car. Another car.
residents of also for you get the numbers. Please, yes, you got the numbers. So the National Security has just picked also for the residents.
Massa. No.
So please pick the other phone. Let
Yes.
us make a follow up.
Yes.
We also have to follow up.
We have to go.
Okay,
What's it?
Yes, we started the program with you. Yeah. And all of a sudden, National Security has just banked in to pick a year. Your friend is saying, also for community.
Correct. That's true. I'm also a lawyer.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm going to make sure the full course. I will follow up the national.
Okay.
So let me please take the step for me.
Yes. So this is what has just happened. A year also for Cabinet Day, we were in a quadrant location with him. this is what has just happened right now. Our a year or so for if you that national security man pointed a gun at me trying to stop me because I have to verify as a journalist without provocation. Exactly, we have to verify and know if truly they are from the national security.
Yes.
In order not to be held responsible, and this is what has just happened.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to tell us.
In fact,
I'm Beno.
ID card and one and in fact, Baku to say, young quiet, I'm
the 3 cars. 3 VIP cars.
Yen nim baby, I'm in the car. I'm going to look at say, maybe I'm going to need Ako, I did a month for
our young residents. Okay. Okay. 0544. Okay. Okay.
Hey, I said I expect the new choir move fast from Mepiemua. Menuka say, I'm uncle Astajere. Hey, Baha, you haven't seen any family, but some be adding from what? No more can say, a yard of the Omeka. The yard of Omeka. Before I hear the dear Omedinico. Young baby Omedinico. Look at the quiet to Kana. Or Mamma, you baby. If you saw me, send for me to me. The dear Omedinico. I for the whole night. A yard of Omeka. Or Mamma, let me up friendly lawyer. Almost say, and friend lawyer, Minocasi, I'm the Peniniqua. Let's come to the national security. He could again. The ID card, the national security, and I buy it. Minocasi, before her, Sandra Minocasi, Penino, and I'm going to call. Yeah, but maybe I interview just a look at high education.
Okay, so we are live on Facebook, and where we are currently is a coded location. As we said earlier, we are not going to disclose the location to anyone because for national security reasons. Yes,
No.
You move from there. You and Mama Gaga move from the Bia Moses Piano.
Okay, okay. I saw the amount.
No.
Barbara, me no can say the idea if you are any direction I can't fire or one idea near Chelsea here. Yes, because the Bushafuna worried. No much as I wouldn't maybe on this year neither. eko omo nim baby omo di omo de hye na de eko nti omo so worried that omo so de e person omo nya car na omo de fi ha na omo de ai de omo de omo ni ache baby aka ne ko bia ni baby omo de ne ko so omo de ne ko hia na so omo de ne ko hia ye ade a yetime hu baby a omo de panini e de eko nanso ebushafo no so ai bobo mo se me no ka se omo tuka omo ye se senka bia na ifo no betimi na national security for betimi we na betimi mama
come and meet you.
Yeah, woman, national security for everyone. I will be sour them. I don't know Kasai.
Governor, no one actually asked me anything. Obi and Samhe. They only got the we thoughts now about also for Cabinet Yakata say. Obi Ababa no maba the home show no home. So we thought So we thought I said that person was going to be the panel by I don't know the panel by joining. But it was unfortunate. 2 men, no, Mr. court warrant from the court. I said some mamachi a year also for Cabinet AJ. They just banked in and arrested a year also for Cabinet AJ. As we speak, Yeguso our the residence of a year also for Cabinet AJ. We will not say his residence, but we will say we are in a coded location. We are in a coded location. Come on, let's go. We are in a coded location. That is where we are currently, and as we speak, you know, we have to speak to some of the residents, but some of the sir, one money so Ebekasa and hot 93 of and so I want to be not organize obiase enya ade a obetimi no ere eno akasa nanso omuhu na esi ya no because omu na nipa ne bi wa bonte baby ase me kire no pese me kire be nya baby a we kasa obi ani ho ade amanfo ede ewo ho a edwede ni ade ede ekoso nanso momo kire se enya ade obi ai ready so be de obe kasa na momo a kire ni a esi ya enomu hu ye emra ka ne ba ya omu si fom no ne omu ye nya ade obi ai ready so obe kasa nsi ye wa ha a ye tu kasa na me no kasa ade ni yeah, caught baby. I can't direction. I can't hear it. If I near has a bit of one chick when I say baby, sir. Minuka said, yeah, it was upon so it's me a baby on this channel. I walk a man, baby, on me, on one Minuka say, Guswa, yeah, Yadimika, yeah, Conti, penny idea being a bed. That's a great by the Abefanuka, young baby, I'm the sister said, oh, my Befanuka, young Cassan and Chop for Quahoa, they interview, or meet me and Chevy, be potty, or the penny, Minuka. V8 baku and san and a baku. Me black and a baku ash. I'm a baku asha. A befa penini ko ya se na edi kan di tu dia no. Ya de nama na tu dia da cars na befa penini no. Edi kan di nama na ya de atu dia da me no ka se. Ye gusu a ye fi ha ye ko. Ebusafo na e worry. Omo chese nka bibi kwampo a omo ma nkomodisia no enfe no lawyer nanso. National security for no ampene ma wan fe no lawyer me no ka se omo befa penini ko a in fact aye nsem mebra ye gusu a me hwese me betimi efi enso ye baby e because the next way I ever say be young kasa so o ma be fa na say dey entimi e dey entra ye fi osisi a ye dey ni a kire baby a ye kwa ye mpese bibi nti ye be kire bibi pot ya samre ye den ye konti ye fi ho ai nam kwan so a ye kwa na mom ye di kan na chi first ni ahwe baby a kan ne fa no se oho ye be ko ko mo na say the traffic bi kwa ye be hu o ma nti ye fifie ho a ye nam kwan so a ye den ye ko
right, what's the meantime?
Metal come cobra.
Good. Quickly, move free area honum.
Cobra.
Move follow up to the via na car no air corner.
Cobra, me no can say you fi area move wa.
You get back to you guys. Now you get any information we are going to be my I don't really know. Say now, I'm not the name back Blue Gate. I'm not the name called BN9. Police headquarters. We don't know. So move follow up. Now move to the we are getting calls here. Yes, now baby I'm one. Move through, move stopping all the interviews. I'm more here baby I'm more to now move through one.
Pabra sena me di kan ade aye fifiewa ye di ani a che direction a car no fire no se be to omo anase senate event fifiewa ye dam kwan so aye for direction a car no cars no fire omo di peni no e kono sa direction na ye fa se bia ye be hu omo na so ye guso aye di echi ye be pa be bia omo di no kore ade ye di echi ade akohwe me bia omo di peni na
all right so Kwabena said okay we are following up to the National Security and Secretariat Home Office, where are the Baby House, the National Security Minister, to make inquiries and find out where actually you also for Kabana J, Wamadino, Aquafa. So, what be your car? We are also law. What are your lawyer? It's to Kabana Somo.
Well, hot 93.9, 59 minutes after 8.